We all dream of a car that just keeps going, right? But the truth is, many of us are unknowingly cutting short its life with actions we think are harmless. Forget the basic stuff. We're exposing 10 critical missteps that are silently damaging your vehicle and setting you up for massive repair bills. This isn't just about preserving your car's value. It's about ensuring reliability and keeping you out of sticky situations. Ready to transform how you treat your wheels? Let's jump into these absolute no-nos. 1. Never ignore warning lights. You see that little engine icon lighting up your dashboard? That's not decoration. That's your car's way of saying, hey, something's wrong. The check engine light isn't optional. It's a serious warning from your vehicle's onboard computer. Ignoring it is like ignoring chest pain and hoping it'll just go away. Even if the car feels fine, there could be a silent issue worsening every mile you drive. That light could mean a misfire, a faulty sensor, or even a failing catalytic converter. And if you let it slide, you're looking at repairs that could cost thousands. The check engine light is just one of several critical warnings your car gives. Others include the oil pressure light, stop driving immediately, battery light, possible charging system issue, brake warning, could signal brake failure, coolant temperature light, engine overheating, and TPMS light, low tire pressure. Ignoring any of these can lead to serious damage or safety risks. So what should you do? Get the issue diagnosed immediately. Many auto parts stores will scan your car for free. But here's an even better move. Grab yourself an affordable OBD2 scanner. These plug right into your car, and in seconds, you'll get the exact code and description of what's wrong. No guessing, no panic. You don't need to be a mechanic. Just knowing the code puts you ahead of the game. It might be something simple you can fix yourself, or at least it'll help you avoid getting ripped off at the shop. Either way, ignoring the light is the worst thing you can do. Your car won't fix itself, and problems don't get cheaper with time. 2. Never skip regular oil changes. Think of engine oil like blood in your veins. It's what keeps everything flowing, cool, and alive. Skip an oil change, and you're basically clogging your car's arteries with sludge. Old dirty oil breaks down. It loses its ability to lubricate, to cool, and to protect. What's the result? Increased friction, excess heat, metal grinding against metal, and sooner or later, catastrophic engine failure. Not a squeak, not a warning, just one day, boom, your engine taps out. All of that, preventable. Follow your manufacturer's recommended oil change interval, whether it's every 5,000 miles, 7,500, or based on months, do it. Don't wait until it sounds bad. If your car runs synthetic oil, use synthetic. If it calls for 5W30, don't cheap out with 10W40. And remember, it's not just about mileage. Short trips, cold starts, stop-and-go traffic, all of that beats up your oil faster. So don't go by feel, go by facts. Stick to the schedule, because changing your oil might cost $1.50, but skipping it? That could cost you an engine. 3. Never ignore strange noises or vibrations. Your car doesn't speak English, but it does communicate through sounds, shakes, and weird little sensations. That sudden squeal when you hit the brakes? That grinding noise when you turn? That strange vibration through the steering wheel? Yeah, that's your car trying to tell you, hey, something's not right. And the worst thing you can do? Turn up the radio and pretend it's not happening. Because those little noises? They're early warnings. They show up before real damage begins. A squeal could mean worn brake pads. A clunk might be a suspension issue. A vibration could signal a tire problem or even engine trouble. And the longer you wait, the bigger the repair bill gets. Here's the smart move. The moment you hear something new or feel something strange, don't ignore it. Get it checked by a qualified mechanic. Even if it turns out to be nothing, it's better than letting a $100 fix turn into a $2,000 breakdown. Remember, your car talks. It's up to you to listen. 4. Never drive on an overheated engine. If your temperature gauge suddenly spikes into the red, or you see steam pouring from under your hood, stop immediately. Do not keep driving. That's not just hot. That's your engine screaming in agony. Overheating isn't just bad, it's engine death territory. We're talking warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, maybe even a cracked engine block. That's game over. And all it takes is a few extra minutes of driving, while hot, to do thousands of dollars in permanent damage. So what should you do? Pull over safely the second you notice overheating. Turn off the engine. Let it cool naturally. Do not, and I repeat, do not open the radiator cap while it's hot unless you enjoy geysers of boiling coolant in your face. Let everything cool down for at least 30 to 45 minutes. If you're unsure what caused it or it overheats again after restarting, don't risk it. Call for a tow. It's far cheaper than replacing an engine. 5. Never neglect your tires, pressure, rotation, alignment. Your tires are literally the only part of your car that touches the road. For little contact patches, that's all that stands between you and everything else. And yet, so many people ignore them. Until something goes horribly wrong. Low tire pressure? That means poor fuel economy, uneven tread wear, and sloppy handling. Driving on underinflated tires doesn't just waste gas, it shortens your tire's life and makes your car harder to control in emergencies. Skipping rotations? That creates bald spots and uneven wear, especially on front-wheel drive vehicles. Suddenly, your tires are worn on one side and smooth on the other, and guess what? That's a blowout waiting to happen. And alignment. If your car pulls to one side or your steering wheel isn't centered, that's not just annoying, it's chewing through your tires and putting stress on your suspension. So here's what to do. Check your tire pressure at least once a month, including the spare. It takes 5 minutes. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to keep wear even. And if your car drifts or the tread looks lopsided, get your alignment checked. Your tires carry your entire car, your family, and your future. Treat them like it. 6. Never use the wrong fluids or mix them. Fluids might all look the same in a bottle, but under the hood, each one has a very specific job, and using the wrong type can wreck your car faster than you'd think. Engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, these aren't interchangeable. They're precision engineered for their systems. Put transmission fluid in the brake reservoir. That's not a mix-up. That's a death sentence for your brakes. Use the wrong engine oil viscosity. You could be starving your engine of lubrication. Mix different types of coolant. You could trigger chemical reactions that clog your cooling system. This isn't just a rookie mistake, it's an expensive one. Incompatible fluids can destroy seals, overheat engines, or cause total failure of major components. And all because someone grabbed the wrong bottle. So here's the rule. Always check your owner's manual before topping up or replacing any fluid. It'll tell you the exact type and spec you need. And if you're ever unsure, ask a professional, don't guess. One wrong pour can cost you thousands. Fluids are your car's lifeblood. Use the right ones or pay the price later. 7. Never slam on your brakes unnecessarily, especially hard stops. Slamming on your brakes might feel dramatic, like you're in a Fast and Furious movie, but in real life, it's a terrible habit that slowly destroys your car. Sure, emergencies happen, but if you're constantly braking hard because you didn't plan ahead or you're tailgating the car in front, you're doing more harm than you think. Every unnecessary hard stop chews up your brake pads, wears down your rotors, and even puts extra strain on your suspension system. And it's not just the hardware. Hard braking burns more fuel, especially in stop-and-go traffic. You're literally paying more at the pump because you didn't lift off the gas a few seconds earlier. The fix is simple. Look further down the road. Anticipate red lights, traffic slowdowns, or turns. Practice smooth, gradual braking. It's safer, it saves money, and it makes your driving look a lot more pro. Remember, your brakes are there to stop the car, not to constantly make up for poor planning. Treat them gently, and they'll return the favor. 8. Never drive on an empty fuel tank regularly. We've all done it, that dangerous game of how far can I go on E? But here's the thing, running on fumes isn't just risky, it's quietly destroying your car from the inside out. Your fuel pump sits inside the tank, and it's designed to stay submerged in gasoline. Why? Because fuel cools and lubricates it. When you consistently run the tank low, the pump starts overheating and wearing out faster. And once that pump goes bad, you're looking at a repair bill that can hit several $100s or more. And that's not all. Over time, sediment and debris settle at the bottom of your fuel tank. When you're running near empty, your fuel system can suck that gunk straight into your engine, clogging fuel filters, injectors, and potentially causing all kinds of performance issues. Here's the golden rule. Don't wait until the light comes on. Try to refuel when you hit a quarter tank. Your fuel pump will last longer, your engine will stay cleaner, and you'll never have to do that panic gas station search again. 9. Never overload your vehicle beyond its capacity. Loading your car to the brim might seem harmless. After all, you've got plenty of space, right? But overloading your vehicle beyond its gross vehicle weight rating, or GVWR, is a recipe for disaster. When you exceed that limit, you're putting massive strain on your engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and tires. Everything wears out faster, brakes take longer to stop, tires heat up and wear unevenly, and your suspension struggles to keep the ride stable. Worse, overloading makes your car harder to control and increases the risk of accidents. Handling becomes sloppy, stopping distances grow, and emergency maneuvers get dicey. So here's the deal. Always check your owner's manual for your vehicle's exact weight limits. Factor in passengers, luggage, and any towing you're doing. And if you're near the limit, consider leaving some stuff behind or making multiple trips. Remember, your car isn't a moving storage unit. Respect the limits. It's about safety, performance, and saving money on repairs. 10. Never delay or skip scheduled maintenance. Your car's manufacturer didn't just throw together a maintenance schedule for fun. Every service interval, whether it's changing spark plugs, swapping transmission fluid, replacing the timing belt, or swapping filters, is designed to keep your car running smoothly for the long haul. Skipping scheduled maintenance is basically like ignoring your doctor's advice. Sure, you might feel fine now, but you're setting yourself up for major breakdowns, costly repairs, and frustrating roadside emergencies later. The smart move? Stick to your car's maintenance schedule like it's your vehicle's health Bible. Think of it as preventative medicine for your car, small, regular checkups that keep big problems from sneaking up on you. Trust me, a well-maintained car runs better, lasts longer, and saves you thousands in repair bills. So don't skip it, your car will thank you. There you have it, 10 absolute don'ts for your car. These might sound like simple tips, but ignoring them can lead to thousands of dollars in repairs, put your safety at risk, and seriously shorten your car's lifespan. Remember, your car works hard for you every day. A little preventative care goes a long way. Treat it right. It will keep you safely on the road for years to come. Now, did we miss any crucial never-evers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves their car, and subscribe for more practical car care tips and tricks. Drive safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.